Their question, 10 minus 10 divided by 5 minus 3. 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 divided by 5 minus 3, it is 2. 0 divided by 2 will be equal to 0, which is not our answer, because we didn't follow the order of operation. So now I will solve it again by obeying order of operation. Here is subtraction, here is division, here is subtraction. So the priority should be this division. Why? Because according to dmas, or both mass are PEMDAS, we have to solve this division. So 10 divided by 5 will be solved first. What will be the answer? By dividing 10 by 5, we will get minus 2. And this minus 3 as it is, and this one maintains as it is. Okay. Now, again, we have to move from left to right, and first, and minus 2, it will be equal to 8 and 3. 8 minus 3, it will be simple. It is 5. So, in the first case, 10 minus 10 was our priority, but that was not correct, because correct order of operation is, first of all, division and then subtraction. But in the previous case, we will solve subtraction first and division at last. That was our mistake. So after obeying PEMDAS, our answer is 5, which is the correct answer. Thank you for your support.